Good morning, everyone. I'm Tripta Sharma, developer of Vedanta School, Emerging One class. So, my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and stay safe and healthy at your places. So, students, as you know, now it's time for English session. So, take out your child-centric English perfection toolkit one of two joyful C. Yes, hurriedly, and take out your English notebook with your pencil and eraser. And now open page number 33. So students, in previous session we did this part of the page bug and rug. So and today we are going to do this part, right? So once again you have to read this. Yes, speak along with me. Bug, and rug, bug and rug. Next one, dug and hug, dug and hug. Next one, pug, and tug, pug and tug. Next one, bun, and fun, bun and fun. Next, nun, and sun. Next, curb, and tub. Mud, and bird. Tub, and rub. Okay, now this one. Now see, whose picture is this? Yes, this is a jug. Okay, and this is a rug. Now tell me, where is the jug? Yes, jug कहाँ पे है? रग के ऊपर? Yes, on the rug. Okay, so read this. Jug, jug. Is, on, the rug. Okay, jug is on the rug. जग कहाँ पे है? रग के ऊपर. So ऊपर के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? On. कौन सा वर्ड? On. Okay, jug is on the rug. जग कहाँ पे है? रग के ऊपर. Okay, on the rug. Jug is on the rug, right? Now tell me, whose picture is this? Yes, this is a pug. And where is pug? Yes, pug कहाँ पे है? Yes, रग के ऊपर. Okay, on the rug, है ना? रग के ऊपर है pug. So that's why we use on here. Okay, pug. Is on, the rug. Pug is on the rug. Pug is on the rug. Pug is on the rug. Pug कहाँ पे है? रग के ऊपर. Okay. Next, who's this? Yes, this is a bug. And this one, this is a nut. Now, where is bug? Yes, students, bug कहाँ पे है? Nut के ऊपर ना? So that's why we use on the nut. Okay. Now read this. Bug. Is the nut. Bug is on the nut. Okay, now we have to start with capital letter, with mama letter. Okay, you have to start the sentence with mama letters. Okay, so bug is on the nut. Bug is on the nut. Bug कहाँ पे है? नट के ऊपर. Okay, on the nut. Next, okay, what is this? This is a mud. Okay, mitti. And this one, this is a hut. Now where is mud? हट किससे बनती है? मड के साथ ना, हट के ऊपर क्या है? मड. ओके, सो mud is on the hut. हट के ऊपर क्या है? मड. ओके, मड इज on the hut. Mud is on the hut. Next, whose picture is this? Yes, this is a nun. Nun. Okay. Now where is nun? This is a bus. And where is nun? Nun is in the bus. बस के अंदर है nun. ओके, कहाँ पे है nun? बस के अंदर. और अंदर के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? In. In. Okay. Now read this. Nun. Nun. Is in the bus. Bus. None is in the bus. None is in the bus. None कहाँ पे है? बस के अंदर. None is in the bus. Now, whose picture is this? Yes, this is a cub. Tiger's baby is called cub. Okay. And where is cub? Yes, कहाँ पे है cub? tub के अंदर. So that's why we use in. In. Okay. So read this. Curb. Is in tub. Curb is in the tub. Curb कहाँ पे है? Tub के अंदर. Okay. Curb is in the tub. Curb is in the tub. Now read this. Tell me whose picture is this? This is a mug. And this is a hut. Now tell me where is mug? Yes, mug कहाँ पे है? Hut के अंदर. So that's why we use in. Okay, in the hut. So read this. Mug. Is in the hut. Mug is in the hut. Mug is in the hut. Okay, mug is in the hut. Now, whose picture is this? Yes, this is a bird. And this one? This is a mud. And where is bird? Bird कहाँ पे है? Mud के अंदर. So, in the mud. Okay. So, bird. Is in the mud. Bird is in the mud. Bird is in the mud. Bird कहाँ पे है? मिट्टी के अंदर. Bird is in the mud. Okay. So students, you have to read these sentences. Okay. And you have to understand the use of on and in word. Okay. So parents, you have to show some picture cards and you have to place some objects on and in. Okay. आपको क्या करना है कि कुछ आपने ऑब्जेक्ट्स लेने हैं, पिक्चर कार्ड्स लेने हैं, आपने बच्चे को शो करने हैं और बच्चे से पूछना है आपने कि कहाँ पे है वो चीज. ठीक है. और बच्चे को आप खुद से बताने दो कि वो कहाँ कैसे यूज करेगा ऑन एंड इन का. ओके. You have to use you or sound words. Okay. But I show you, I give you an example. For example, this is a book, right? And this is a pencil. Okay, now tell me, where is pencil? See, can you see? Yes, where is pencil? Book के ऊपर means on the book. Okay, so pencil is on the book, right? Okay, now tell me, see carefully. Now where is pencil? Where is pencil? Yes, book के अंदर means in the book, right? Pencil is in the book, right? So ऐसे पेरेंट्स आपने कुछ एग्जांपल्स देने हैं. आप जैसे टेबल के ऊपर कुछ भी रख सकते हो, कप रख सकते हो. Where is cup? Okay, then you ask your child where is cup, then let the child make the sentence. cup is on the table like this. Okay, and where is bag? You have to place bag or book under the table, or in the, we have to use introduce the concept on and in now, right? So you have to place something inside the, like this, in the book, pencil is in the book like this. Okay, so in this way you can make many more sentences with the use of many more objects. Okay, so try at home, and you have to read these sentences also, and you have to do practice in your English notebook, right? So now take out your English notebook with the pencil and eraser. Take your pencil, now write down. You have to start with mama letters. Okay, so write down jug, jug is on the rug. Jug is on the rug. Now full stop. Now write down pug is on the rug. So pug is on the the rug. Again full stop. Now next, bug is on the nut. So bug is on the nut. Not nut. Okay, so students, you have to do practice in your English notebook, and send me your regular work, and send me your regular videos while reading these sentences, and you have to make some more sentences with the use of on and in, right? So this part we will do later, right? Till then you have to do practice of reading this page. So now today's English session is over.